Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Microsoft Office templates into group policy on Windows Server. Managing Microsoft Office settings across multiple devices in an organization saves IT administrators a lot of time. This allows you to create, configure, and apply Office policies from one central location without having to touch each computer individually. This is an essential way to control features like macros, updates, and user interface settings in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other Office applications. First, we'll learn how to download Microsoft Office ADMX templates, which are templates that allow us to control and manage Microsoft Office on a client's computer and set appropriate policies. Open your favorite browser and, using Google, and type Microsoft Office ADMX. Now, from the search results, click on the official Microsoft link. You'll usually find it on the Microsoft Learn website or the Download Center. Scroll down and select your language, and click Download. These are the administrative template files. Separate templates are available for the 32-bit and 64-bit versions of Office. Make sure you download the template that matches your version of Office. I'll select the 64-bit version and click Download. You'll usually get a compressed .zip file. Wait for the download to complete. Navigate to the downloaded file and double-click it. Confirm that the files are extracted, and then choose a location to extract the files. After extracting, you'll find the two main folders you're interested in: ADMX, which contains the actual templates, and the admin folder, which contains language-specific resources and other important administrative files. Now let's move on to the next step, which is integrating these administrative templates into the group policy. Open Server Manager and click the Tools menu, and then click Group Policy Management. And from the left side, click to expand the forest and select the domain you will work on. Then right-click on the Group Policy object and select New. And in the new GPO window, give it a descriptive name that fits this policy so you can easily find it, and apply it to any organizational unit you want later. Now I'll then copy the templates to the PolicyDefinitions folder on the server so that the Microsoft Office policies are included in the group policy. Now navigate to the PolicyDefinitions folder, which is the central location for the group policy templates on the domain controller or local machine. I'll copy all the ADMX files from the ADMX folder to this path, and I'll leave the path in the video description. I'll first copy the language files, for example, EN/US. Copy all the files inside the folder and paste them into the language folder in the PolicyDefinitions folder. Next, copy all the .admx files from the ADMX folder and paste them into the same location, the PolicyDefinitions folder. Now close any open windows and return to the group policy management. Right-click on the policy or GPO we just created and select Edit. This will open the Group Policy Management Editor console, where you can customize and manage this policy. In the Group Policy Editor, on the left side, click to expand user configuration or computer configuration to your needs, and from there, open administrative templates. You'll now see various policy categories, such as Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and others. These categories will help you configure policies according to your organization's needs. That's all in today's video. We've learned step-by-step how to integrate or import Microsoft Office into the group policy environment. This setting gives you centralized control over Office applications, improving security, consistency, and user experience across your network. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And let me know in the comments what other GPO-related topics you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.